Hey, welcome back. We have just installed Git on our computer. Now, before start learning about it, let's understand what is command line. There are two ways we can interact with our computer. First, using the graphical user interface or GUI, and second, using the command line interface or CLI. The graphical user interface is what most of us use every day. When you turn on your computer, you see icons, windows, and menus. You use your mouse to click on these icons, drag windows around, and select options from menus. This visual approach makes it easy to navigate and operate your computer without needing to remember commands or type out instructions. For example, when you open your File Explorer, you will see folders and files displayed with icons. You can double click to open a folder and use buttons to copy, move, or delete files. And then the second way to interact with our computer is the command line interface or CLI. The command line is a text based interface that lets you communicate directly with your computer's operating system. Instead of clicking on icons, you enter commands in a terminal or command prompt. At first, this might seem a bit confusing or difficult. However, once you get the hang of it, the command line can be a powerful and efficient way to control your computer. Now, one of the most popular command line tools is Bash, short for Born Again Shell. Now, in the next video, we will learn how to use Bash and we will learn about the basic commands in Bash. So I will see you in the next video.